Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Silver Spring aluminum multifold wheelchair ramp was a great solution when we needed a wheelchair ramp. It's portable, that was very important to us, and also very sturdy. It holds up to 600 pounds, which is excellent because wheelchairs are heavy, and added to the weight of the individual, it's nice to know that this is going to be sturdy enough to support the person. In addition, I love how the edges are higher so that you don't veer off accidentally. It has a nice non-slip tread, and it's very convenient to be able to fold this up. You fold it up in half and then again sideways. It even has handles, so it makes it easy to lift up into a vehicle or just to carry to put in a different place. When mobility issues require a wheelchair or walker, this Silver Spring aluminum multifold wheelchair ramp is a convenient and helpful solution. And that's my point of view.